Hi, I'm Cooper, and tonight I'm making lamb cutlets with roast potatoes and a mixed leaf salad. First, I'm off to the shop to collect the ingredients for the meal. It's always important to wash your hands before cooking a meal. First I prepare the potatoes, as they need to roast in the oven for 50 minutes. Now it's time to prepare the salad. I'll throw in a few mushrooms. Now it's time to do the lamb. I'll add some balsamic vinegar for some flavour, plus a little bit of honey. Then it's into the grill. Now it's time to serve it up. It looks good, but what do the diners have to say?
The tomatoes were nice and juicy.
Lovely tasty meal, beautiful flavours, well done.
The meal was succulent and flavoursome.